Hey, Kevin here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of Apple's iPhone 12 Pro. So here it is. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box. Slimmer than before. See the back, the sides. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. And let's get the phone out. And here it is. Now, I opened this earlier just so I could have a look at it and download some apps and connect it to the Wi-Fi. But I didn't take out the cables or the booklet. So this is my first time seeing it along with you. Now you can see we have our Apple proprietary connector, and the other end is USB-C. And here's, well, it's not really a booklet, designed by Apple in California. So it says, and there's our tool to remove the SIM card. Okay. Nothing else here. Put that back. Now the design is a throwback to the iPhone 5. If you remember what that looked like, the square edges. Okay, let me put in my password. Alright, let's take a look here. Flip through, it's smooth as usual, as it should be for a $1,000 phone. See, so there's our different settings, Wi-Fi, volume control, brightness, calculator, flashlight, all the usual stuff. Okay, so the settings menu, our main settings menu, and let's see, I don't know if I can get this on the camera, but see that. Okay, there's the back, our 3 cameras. Love that color. It's the blue. Feels nice, you can feel that glass. Now it's like it's, I don't know, they put like a coating on it or something. Not sure what that coating is, but it feels nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom. There's our proprietary connector, our stereo speakers. Let's see, we've got let's see, our power button. That's nice. We've got our 5G antennas. Okay, right there. Let's see what else. We have our slot for the SIM card. You can see that, and our volume rockers. Up and down, of course, and then right below, above that actually, you can see there we have our control to mute the phone. Right there. Okay. It's got some weight to it, like I said. I really like that. I will be doing a full review on this phone, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I got a lot of great content coming up, so hit the subscribe button and click the bell, and I'll catch you in the next one.